Hello, welcome to my new video. Today I wanted to show one of my latest purchases. I got it very recently. Tarzan lenticular FullSlip from Manta with this sticker, which I unpacked it. The sticker that was on the box. This beautiful lenticular cover. I didn't watch this movie yet, so I have now best opportunity to watch it in 3D. I have the number of 304 of only 500. Now unpacked. Here the steelbook without the Manta slipcase. It's not an exclusive steelbook. It was also released. It was also part of other releases. The spine. A very nice one. Without debossing or embossing, but very nice one. Here's what's inside. This 3D Blu-ray and Blu-ray with this non-existent black artwork. The inside artwork without any content. Really beautiful artwork. Much better than most inner artworks of steelbooks. Now to the content, which is actually not that much. Cards and this very small booklet. Very small because it has to feed into the steelbook. With English text. Neat. Good balance, some pictures and some text. Actually, lots of text. I didn't watch, as I said before, I didn't watch this movie yet. I have to do it. It's I suppose the recent reincarnation of Tarzan, one of many Tarzan movies. I watched plenty of them years ago. Yeah, nice. There was one animated from Disney, and one with Christopher Lambert from the 90s, and so on and so on. So in this small bag there are some cards. Really nice backside. I meant get it sharp. Yeah, and here are some cards with some scenes from the movie. Christoph Waltz as a villain, one of my all-time favorite actors. A great villain. So, and another artwork. Only 4 of them, so it's not that much. Well, folks, that was it. Write me down in comments below how did you like this movie. If you would recommend to watch it immediately. Let a thumbs up. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till the next time. Bye bye.